Hi everyone, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to crochet super easy scrunchies. Here are 3 different ones I've made, and there's also one in my hair. So it's super easy, you can be done in like 15 minutes or less. It's very beginner, it only uses half double crochet, but you can also do single crochet too. So put on your audiobook, your podcast, or some nice music, and let's get crochet. To make the scrunchie, you're going to need any type of yarn. You can do chunky, thin, small, really just any type of yarn you want. And then the same crochet hook to work with this yarn. And then you can either use a thick or thin hairband. This pattern is super versatile. Alright, you're going to want to take your yarn and do a simple slip knot, just like this. And then you're going to want to put your crochet hook into your rubber band first, and then into the loop like this, and then tighten it in and grab your string and then pull it through. And now this is when you're going to want to decide which stitch you want to do. I'm going to be doing half double crochets, so I'm going to chain twice. If you want to do just single crochets, then you can just chain one. It'll make more sense as I go along through the tutorial. So I'm going to chain once and then chain twice, and then I'm going to start doing half double crochets. So I'm going to do this by wrapping around, going into the hole, wrapping it around again, going out, wrapping around, and pulling through all of my stitches. Again, wrap it around, into the rubber band, wrap around, out, wrap around, and pull through all of them. Sorry. And you're just going to want to keep going all around the rubber band until you can still stretch it and all the stitches will still be not too far away. So I'll see you then. Once you get here, you are still not done, because if you go like this, there's still not enough space to stretch out. So you're going to want to just push your stitches back and just keep on doing half double crochets all around. Alright, I am all finished now, and I'm going to finish the round by doing a slip stitch by the first stitch I did. So just like so. And then I'm going to take a scissor and just cut it like this. And then you're going to want to wrap around your string around your hook and then pull through and like that, and then tighten it. And yeah, so now you can either take a tapestry needle. I'm just going to take my crochet hook and pull my yarn through a couple different places in a couple different directions, and then I'll cut it off and I'll show you guys the final product. So here's a scrunchie. I think it looks super cute, and they're super easy to make. You can make them in like 15 minutes or less, and you can make them like in so many different colors to match all your outfits. So here it is, and it's also really fun to put in your hair to like jazz up any hairstyle. So like that's what it looks like. I think it's super cute, and I'm going to show you guys all my different scrunchies in like different colors and things. Alright, so here are 2 blue ones I did. I just finished this one. You just saw me make it. And then here's a different blue. And then I also made this cute pink color. And then like this velvety, more peachy kind of color. So yeah, those are all the different scrunchies I've made so far. Alright everyone, thank you guys so much for coming and crocheting with me, and I'll see you guys next month, and I really appreciate it. So make sure to go down and subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out when I post videos. So I'll see you guys next month. Bye!